Right, okay, project for the day. Going to put the cable back in for the solar. So the cable runs around the inside of the roof, all the way around the perimeter, up here, and we need to punch a hole, pull the cable across, and then fix the cable into here. Gonna route the cable inside some conduit, keep it nice and neat. The cable themselves fits into this bit of extruded aluminium through these grommets. And originally these were used to bring the cable through the roof. I'm giving a bit of an update. I'm going to use this Scanstrut dual cable seal. Really neat bit of kit. Allows the cable to be pulled through and routed. Can be reversed. You can open it up, put new cable in if you need to, what have you. Anyway, let's get into it. I think the hardest bit is going to be working out where to drill. There's a reinforced member inside here and we can't hit that, and we need to be sufficiently far from the curvature of the edge to make a good seal. This is like the gasket. It's that age-old issue of not having any real point of reference from the inside to the out. So it's going to be a case of drilling a hole and working it out. Just putting a hole in somewhere where it's got a bit of an edge to it, yes. Because the hole's so close, I'm going to use a slightly smaller diameter hole than that's. I think that's 30. I'm going to use this 20mm hole cutter. Okay, hole has been made. I had to drill from the back as well. There's a bit of a flex on the gel coat on the other side, so I couldn't get through. Prepare the surface. All right, now to fit the actual piece. That's the digger. Okay, so you've got that, that's the cover cap, and then that goes underneath where the two cables come through, and then you use these grommets inside there to make it watertight. So, conduit, and cover up this. Don't really want blue and red wires going across the roof, so conduit. Can use that to cover up. So I'm just going to use a bit of heat shrink here as a sleeve on the cable to cover up the red and the blue between the conduit and the Scanstrut itself. Okay, so now I'm threading the grommets onto the wire over the heat shrink and just fitting them into place. Now I'm fitting the Scanstrut hover over the wires, and that'll make the final piece waterproof. Then we have it fitted, glands on that side, nice and neat. One job done.